Aloha everybody. Today I'm standing in the backyard of one of my brand new listings. This is 166 Kahoma Village Loop. If you're a fan of Lahaina Town, or if you're looking for a property that is easy walking distance to the beach, you're going to want to check this out. If you don't already know me, my name is Jesse Wald. I'm a real estate broker here on the beautiful island of Maui. And in this video, we're going to do a few things. We're going to show you an overview of the location, Kahoma Village within Lahaina Town. I'm going to do a quick tour of the entire property, and we're also going to show you exactly how you get to the beach and how quickly you can get to the beach from the front door to toes in the sand. So the location of this property and the Kahoma Village neighborhood in general truly is spectacular. It's less than a 5-minute walk to Baby Beach, and it's even a shorter walk to world-famous Front Street in Lahaina's historic district. Lahaina Town offers easy access to several art galleries and world-class dining and shopping. The nearby wharf offers several options of boating excursions as well as fishing tours. Nearby Baby Beach is a long stretch of beautiful white sand, and it features extra calm waters due to its stretched out reef. This really is one of my favorite beaches on all of Maui. Okay, so no doubt the location is fantastic. What about the property itself? Let's jump into a tour. Starting from the driveway, you'll notice right away that the property does have a 2-car garage. This is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, single family style home. Recently completed by the developer in 2020, this home is still basically brand new. The ground level is home to the family room, kitchen, and dining room areas. But where I really want to start is the gorgeous backyard. Having a private outdoor space like this close to town and to the beach is a true luxury. You'll see there's even space for an outdoor hot tub. The grassy areas are made of AstroTurf, and all the plants are on automatic irrigation, making for easy yard maintenance. Make sure to check out the description below for more details on this property, as well as a link to all the homes currently available in Kahoma Village. The kitchen is fresh, clean, and offers stainless steel appliances throughout. You'll also want to notice the split system AC in just about every room. The owners upgraded to a dual zone AC system, and the home stays perfectly cool even on the hot Lahaina days. Here's a quick peek into the garage. Please look past the clutter as the owners are currently in transition mode. There is a half bath on the landing leading up to the stairs. On the second floor, you're going to find 3 bedrooms and 2 baths. The primary bedroom has an extra large floor plan and features an ensuite bathroom as well as a walk-in closet. Okay, so I promised you a walk to the beach. Let's go check it out. Of course, the analytical side of me had to time the walk to the beach. It took me about 4.5 minutes from the front door to toes in the sand. That said, I did speed the video up to get you there a little bit quicker. I actually live a couple blocks from this location myself, and this is one of my favorite routes for an early morning run or a walk just to clear my head. So of course, if you're interested in this property or any other Kahoma Village property, or any real estate for that matter here on Maui, please feel free to reach out to me directly for a no pressure, easy conversation and consultation on all the things Maui and Maui real estate. So that's it for this video. If you enjoyed the presentation, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more relevant real estate content on Maui real estate and Hawaii in general. We'll see you on the next one. Aloha.